I'll be showing you guys how to supreme a grapefruit and then an orange as well. Supreming is a technique where you peel the fruit and you don't get any kind of membrane or anything in it, so it's just by itself. Go ahead and cut the grapefruit off, and we'll just try to. It has a pretty thick skin, which is fine. Let's see. There you go. No other way of peeling it. Okay. And cut this off as well. We'll try to do. Okay. See, I'm gonna try not to get any kind of membrane in the fruit. It's just the fruit, no seeds. Get those off. Grab a clean container. Not a bit of membrane on that. Main reason for doing this is we want to make sure there's no bitterness and it looks much cleaner. A lot of fine dine restaurants will use this technique as well. To the side. Okay. Really nice grapefruit. And the same thing with the orange. Nope. Grapefruit juice. Let's get close to the end. Nope. There's no seeds in there. Oh, Jesus. Okay, the remaining, we just squeeze it. I'm gonna waste this juice. Okay, the rest of it, we'll just toss it. I did not scrape my knife. In case you guys are wondering, you're not supposed to scrape your knife on the cutting boards because it will dull the blade. I just swept it with it. Did not scrape it, I promise. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this board. Okay, so I have suprêmed grapefruit in this container. I'll put it in ice or in the refrigerator while it cools. Then I'll grab my orange. I'll do the same thing. Cut the top off, cut this end off. Cut it off a little bit more. Also with orange peels, guys, you can also peel them, slice them, julienne them thinly, and then you can boil them and add a little bit of honey to it too. And use it as garnish. Yep. And you get all this white layer of membrane off of it. Yes, some people believe it's quite wasteful. Some people don't think it is. I think it's a little wasteful, but for presentation purposes and flavors, You have to cut it this way sometimes. Aesthetics are important with a lot of fine dine platings. It's very eye appealing. So, okay, same thing. We're going between the layers of the membrane. So this way, when you eat it, it's just the fruit by itself. You don't taste any kind of bitterness. Yeah, this one, the extra layers will do. I'll cut the layer off. So I'll eat it. It's quite delicious, actually. Yeah, save the juice, toss the rest. Yep, the membrane on this side as well. Okay, save that. Okay, and then we're also done with our orange. That's it. We'll refrigerate it, and we'll use it in our next video, and I'll show you.